day, welcome to a short video introducing you to your benefits whilst you are employed at your current employer. But before we start, let's talk a little bit about advice. The best path to financial stability is discipline. Did you know that you would be working between 40 and 45 years of your life? But most of us will be in retirement 20 to 30 years thereafter. Our question to you today: are you planning for your retirement? Because as a human, we tend to focus on the here and now, not realizing that by failing to plan for our future, we are actually planning for failure. Whilst employed at your current employer, you belong to a risk scheme. There is a death, funeral, as well as a disability cover, which we will explain in detail. Your risk provider is Discovery, and R2 Corporate is your employee benefit specialist. Let's unpack these benefits. It is always based on what you earn your own salary. But in this example, we are using a salary of 10,000 Rand per month. It is then calculated as a percentage of your salary to get to the risk costs. The funeral cover is a static fee per family. You are covered for 2 times your annual salary in the event of death. The benefit is unapproved, but that only means that it does not run through a retirement fund. The payments will be paid on the nomination of beneficiary form. Your payments to the beneficiaries will be tax-free, and the payments normally follow 4 to 6 weeks after your death once all the documents have been received. Let's have a look at an example. Again, based on somebody earning 10,000 Rand per month, he or she will earn 120,000 Rand in a year, apply the 2 times multiple, and in this example, 240,000 Rand lump sum is paid to your beneficiaries. Over and above the life insurance that you are covered for at work, there is a global education benefit. Should you as the member pass away, the following will be catered for. All your children, as an unlimited amount of children's preschool, primary, high school, as well as tertiary education, will be covered by Discovery, and it will be paid directly to the institution. This covers all your children that is under the age of 25 at the time of you, the member, passing away. The funeral cover attached to this risk benefit policy is a cover of 20,000 Rand for you, your spouse, and children aged 14 to 21. Younger children on a lower scale. The funeral benefit will pay out 48 hours after all the complete and accurate paperwork has been received. Please note, you have to specify on your beneficiary nomination form under the section of funeral cover, you have to specify that one person who must get your funeral cover. If you fail to do so, this benefit will go to your estate. Can a claim be repudiated by the insurer? And we just would like to bring this under the attention of you as the member. If you are over the alcohol limit, they might repudiate the claim, and also there might be a suicide exclusion. Through your current employer, you are also covered through an income disability cover. It is the Rolls-Royce disability that we can purchase in the industry. Should you, as the member, become medically disabled due to any accident or illness that keeps you away longer than 3 months from work, this product will kick in on the first day of month 4 and will pay you 75% of your monthly salary as an income continuation benefit. This benefit will pay until you are better and return back to work, and if you are of a permanent nature, it will pay you till the normal retirement age of the scheme. There are some added benefits under the Discovery Life product where there is a income continuation benefit top-up. Should you have any other products with Discovery and you become medically disabled, they will top up that up to 33%. And then there are also benefits connected to your vitality status. If you have Vitality on your medical scheme, you are also then have a mortgage protector on death or disability that bond repayments up to 24 months can also be paid. There's a performance bonus protector as well as a private school upgrade, but dependent on your Vitality status. It is our advice that you are not a blue member on Vitality, as these benefits really only start kicking in from bronze or higher. Should you leave the organization, you may convert these benefits in your personal capacity. Please reach out to your advisor or your fund consultant on the fund, as there are terms and conditions that apply. There is a member booklet with all this information that you can obtain from HR or from ATU, and we encourage you to share this YouTube link with your loved ones, as they really also need to know what you are covered for at work. Discovery will issue benefit statements on an annual basis, and they will do that by emailing you the email address that your employer has on the system. Beneficiary nomination forms is the form that you please need to complete to tell us who the money needs to go in the event of you passing. This needs to be kept up to date at all times. Your financial dependents have the first rights to the payouts, and it is especially important that you've nominated a beneficiary for your funeral claim process. If a beneficiary is not nominated, this benefit will have to be paid to your estate. Today's challenge is also to ask you, do you have a will? That piece of paper that tells us what to do with your life after your death? Please reach out to ATU Wills and Estates, as this is a offering that will be free of charge for an ATU member. We have also printed a list for you, which we call the 007 list, which is a file that you need to have with all your personal information, which is needed in the event of death. Do you need help with your income tax returns? You are welcome to contact info@oakson.co.za. But just a little bit of extra information around tax. Did you know, as a salaried employee in South Africa, you can claim for your retirement contributions, your medical aid, certain travel allowances, home office expenses, donations to charities, and disability-related costs. There's a tip: keep detailed records and receipts for all your claims to simplify your tax return process. This presentation is purely a summary. There is a risk policy document available with all the detail, should you wish to have more comprehensive information in this regard. You have a dedicated fund consultant as well as an administrator in the ATU offices who is always available to assist you with anything that you might need on your fund or in your financial life. Have a great day.